Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on quickly to share with you a few more Tuesday morning finds. I was on the hunt for some more dies. I did see a few that I didn't pick up, but I'm trying to be conscious of what I pick up because I know I have that Brother Scan and Cut and I can download SVG files now. So I am trying to be conscious of that so I can use that. But anyway, I didn't find what I was looking for, but I did find a few other little goodies, so I figured I'd just come on and quickly share. I did find these really cute stamps, and they're by Dear Lizzie. They were $3.99, and this is what the bottom looks like. I went ahead and stamped it out so you can see what it looks like. But the first one says, "Oh, hello." This one says, thank you, oh so much. And then "You've got mail," which I thought was really, really cute. And I just think these are actually really adorable and just kind of fun to display in your craft room. I've never seen anything like this before, so super cute. I did find this embossing folder. It is a Project Life. I really liked the hearts. And then this on the back says, "A little magic goes a long way." So I thought that was really cute. So I picked that up. And then what else did I find? I found some Bella Boulevard stickers to go along with the collections that I've already picked up. And those are the sea themed. And then I did get the pandas, which I'm absolutely loving. I can't wait to do a panda project. I want to do something summer related with that paper. And I've got a die coming in that's like panda, so I can't wait to play with that. And then I picked up this paintbrush set. I just needed a new paintbrush set, and it says all media. And I'm sorry for the glare, but it has 5 brushes in it, and I wanted to do something with Mod Podge glue. So that is why I picked these up. And then I did pick up this metallic paste, and this is by Art C. I wanted to play with it, and it was only $3.99. So I picked that up, and I'm going to see, how it looks. I'm going to play with it. And then last but not least, well, actually I got a couple more things. I picked up these iron patches, and I just thought they were absolutely adorable. I love this really pretty flamingo right here with the flower in her hair. Super, super cute. So perfect for summer. And then I did find this die again, and my friend here on YouTube, Ramona, who is Cherished Treasures, she was actually on the hunt for this, and I told her if I had ever run across it, I would pick it up for her. So I picked it up for her, and I already told her I'd found it. So that is going to Ramona. I was glad I was able to find it for her. Anyway, that is my small Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.